Hey everybody, today we're doing something a little different. We got the boat yard out here. Old John Boat Buddy's got my bass boat, and then this is what we just picked up. It's a Grumman. Needs a little bit of work, and that's what we're gonna do. Not only today, but for a lot of days. We're gonna make a little series rebuilding this. But first we've got to see if she starts up. We got to turn it over last night. I let the carbs sit overnight. Should have recorded that, but let them sit in some gas. Put them back on this morning, and now we'll see if we can get her fired up and running. But yeah, here starts the Grumman rebuild. So here's the new GoPro I was talking about in the last video. We'll see how flipping between this and the phone goes, but first thing we're gonna do is make sure our bulb's tight. It's not really tight. I found that if you give little half squeezes and then let it rebound, and then when it started getting tight, give full squeezes. So now she's tight. Well, she's tight enough. Next we need the key in the ignition, and make sure on most there's a little kill switch right here. It is this switch right here. You want to make sure it's up. That way you get spark. Then we'll put our key in. And on these old Mercs, I'm not sure if it's the same as the new ones. I've got a Black Max on my back bass boat, and it's an 89. This is an 88. You want to. What I found is you give 6 to 8 seconds of push in, like this when you're starting your motor. And you push it in for 6 to 8 seconds, then turn it. It kind of like primes or chokes your motor, gets you a little fuel in there. So let's set you guys right over here. Looks good. We've got our muffs on. I'm gonna turn the water on, and then we'll get her going, see if she starts. Water is on. We're gonna prime it. Guess. Well, she started. Oh shoot. All right, I'm not 100% sure what we had. I think we had maybe just too much gas sitting in the carbs, or maybe it was a little flooded and it sparked and shot, but I got her. Turn of the key. Well, looks like she runs good. Now it's time to get her cleaned up. Pee's good too, but we'll do an impeller anyways, just since we don't know when the last time it was, and some lower unit oil. But get her going. I got to make a video on this guy too. It's a 84 Winter with a 89 XR4 on it. We'll get there one day though. So time lapse it is, I believe. Well, we've got the inside rough cleaned out. Just got a vacuum and everything. But so what we've come up with, we got 2 batteries, motor that runs, that doesn't catch on fire no more. We got a little storage over here. Humminbird fish finder. This is a what, a 561. Turns on. We got a paddle, dock rope. Well, it looks to be, used to be a live well, but there's, oh no, we can still make it a live well. We'll get us a plug for down there, or a tube with a pump with a bilge on it. Yep, nice. It also came with this 30 Evinrude. Guy said it ran, but we don't have any power cables for it, so I'll probably either order some or take the ones off the Merc and put on here. It looks to be in decent shape though. We've got some paint supplies, tackle, knives, one radio, and then a new Bosswood speakers. Everything's still in packaging. A lot of trash. And then we've got what looks 10-15 pound anchor, some line, nav light, and trolling motor. So I say we're getting somewhere at least. So we'll wait till, we'll get her vacuumed out. We'll wait till Matt gets here. He can help me with the motor. And then we'll get to brainstorming some ideas on colors, and I think we're gonna do tan on the inside and like the real true bottom land on the outside. Yeah, but if y'all got any suggestions as of now, let us know. Oh, also forgot to mention, we got a midsection for a car exhaust and a car or home speaker. Yeah, I mean, I guess.